The title screen appears with the text PopClean Elite Series Sweet and Monster Mushroom Popping Guide with advanced membrane controls.
Before you begin, make sure you have read and understand the operator's manual.
The front view of a stainless steel popcorn machine on a base, with a neon sign reading popcorn, is shown.
Installation instructions and all other safety instructions before setting up and using this equipment.
Warning text excerpts from the manual appear on the screen while the narrator shares the information.
Improper installation, adjustment, alteration, service, or maintenance can cause property damage, injury, or death. Any alterations to this equipment will void the warranty and may cause a dangerous condition. Installation of the PopClean Elite Series poppers should be performed by qualified service personnel, and the fire suppression system, if equipped.
A note states it is extremely important to follow all of the cleaning procedures, otherwise, parts damage and equipment failure will result. The warranty does not cover parts that are damaged due to improper cleaning.
Must be charged and activated by an ANSEL certified representative. Read and understand the instruction manual and all other safety instructions for the unit before using this equipment. Next, select your recipe by selecting mushroom popcorn, sweet flavoring, and select your popcorn load size.
The control panel appears on screen and the operator of the machine turns on the main power switch. Then they press the mushroom popcorn button, sweet flavoring button, and the load size button.
Then you will need to turn on the rest of the machine. Turn on the equipment in the following order: oil master, popcorn crisper, filter system, kettle heat. When you turn on the kettle heat, it will automatically turn on the popcorn agitator.
On the control panel, the operator presses the oil master button, popcorn crisper button, filter system button, and kettle heat button. The screen then shows 3 Glaze pop cartons, a measuring cup filled with Glaze pop, a measuring container holding popcorn kernels, and a perforated popcorn scoop with a red handle.
Next, you need to prepare and measure your popcorn and Glaze pop. When the light next to the load corn oil lights up, your kettle is ready. Load in your corn.
The operator pours in popcorn kernels in the kettle and closes the lid.
Then press dispense oil.
The operator presses the dispense oil button on the control panel.
The light next to the add sweet flavoring will come on when it is time to load your Glaze pop.
A blue light flashes on and off next to the add sweet flavoring text on the control panel.
Now, add your Glaze pop. If popcorn has already started to pop before light comes on, do not open the lid as this may be dangerous.
The operator takes the measuring cup full of Glaze pop and pours it in the kettle.
Allow the popping cycle to finish and start again. This time, add sweet flavoring after the oil is delivered. And when the dump kettle light illuminates, it is time to dump the kettle.
The operator dumps the kettle.
If you are done cooking popcorn, press the kettle heat button to turn off the kettle.
The operator presses the kettle heat button on the control panel, turning off the heat.
Otherwise, repeat the process when the load corn oil lights up. Take your popcorn scoop and gently move the popcorn around to separate out any unpopped kernels.
The operator gently moves the popcorn around in the popcorn machine using a perforated scoop.
Now you are ready to scoop and serve up delicious popcorn.
The person carries a tub full of popcorn and sets it on a table. The screen fades to black and the Gold Medal logo appears.